Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu fully loaded, guys. Check out this big block 454 motor, all chromed out, really nice here. You got chrome booster, you have a chrome master cylinder, you got the chrome alternator, chromed out vintage air conditioning system, the big block Chevrolet SS polished valve covers with an Edelbrock aluminum intake. Let me make that a little bit more clear here. Performer 2.0, an upgraded aluminum water pump. The 4-barrel carb has been tuned perfectly by the mechanics here. And you can see right there the electric choke that's been set up. Core support's real nice. The car's been taken apart and painted. They painted that core support blue. As you can see, the chrome hood hinges as well. Just a beautiful setup with the power steering. So everything here is fully loaded. Exterior paint on the car is 7.5, 8 out of a 10. It's got a real nice shine to it. We will buff it out before we ship the car out one more time. Chrome bumpers look good, trim is good, all the door handles. You got the vented windows here on this particular year. As you can see there, some upgraded billet stuff here for the door handles, and I'll get into the interior shortly here. Inner outer door jambs are really nice and crisp, no problems. Body is straight on the car. Rear chrome is good. Dual exhaust on this car. It does have a turbo 400 automatic trans. There's a little bit more of a look of the interior. Inner and outer door jambs are super clean. A couple customized things there on the dash. The odometer gauges, which we'll get into. Closes really nice. Great stance. Power steering, power brakes, if I didn't mention that, guys. Real nice all around. It's got that SS hood on it with the vents. All right. Let's see here. Real nice bucket seats. Center console there with the shifter. You got different setup for the column here with the tilt wheel. And like I mentioned earlier, the new odometer gauges. With the vintage air conditioning, upgraded stereo system. No foot on the throttle. Easy start, guys. Check that out. Listen to this. Sounds good, right? You have it. Give us a call here at 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. If you need delivery, that's not a problem. We can handle that for you guys. Text me your zip code. I do prefer text a lot. Quicker response. And again, 847-848-1850. You can text me everything there. If you need financing, go to the website at mgmclassiccars.com. Another look at the engine compartment here, guys. Really nice and clean. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.